Let's review the Formula One Hot Wheels racing set. Here we go. 3 different Formula One cars. And it looks like there's a big track that you send these guys through. So you put it together?
Yes.
Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all out of the box. There's a bunch of pieces and we gotta put it all together. So they got these instructions here and a bunch of stickers. Instructions here, you can see much like a Lego set. And the way that you figure this out is you find the letters on each of the pieces. So I found letter B here. And this one, the letter B is actually on the back side right there. I'll go through all these different steps and get this put together. Also looking at this a little more closely, looks like you should put the labels on probably first. So that's what I'm gonna do before I get too far into putting this track together. Okay, we have everything set up. Now we're gonna look here. It says, first we gotta raise the red flag. Okay, ready? Raise the flag. Whoa, okay, the flag is raised. Now we have to load 2 cars behind the starting gate. Right way. Put the other car here. It says number 3. Push the pedal 3 to 4 times to rev the booster. Okay, now hold on. Hold on. 2, 3, 4. Press the green light to start while pushing. Okay, so now one of you guys presses that green thing. Okay, so I gotta say that this is a little tricky because we really gotta get it going. And it's a little bit harder for a younger kid to do, but if you can really get it going, and press the button, that'll be going pretty good. Let's try it again, man.
Was it the orange one or the blue one?
I don't know. Let's try again.
I think it was the blue one. So
The blue one, that one? Sonic one?
Yeah.
So let's do it again. Whoa, the blue one won!
Yeah.
Oh.
Sonic one.
All right, came with all 3 of these cars. So parking spot for one. I'm gonna get this going. Whoa! Overall, my kids really have enjoyed this Formula One racer from Hot Wheels. They're big Hot Wheels fans. The main positives of this racer track is that it can be adapted to other racing tracks from Hot Wheels. It comes with a couple different pieces to connect. I would say it also is really fun to see the cars just zoom right past that little speeder device that they created. The negatives for the device, I would say, are that it is noisy. It's very loud when you're revving up that spinner to get the cars to shoot through the track. It also is pretty difficult for a little kid to get that pumped up. It might be better if it was battery operated. Overall, it's a very fun track and it comes with some really great Formula One cars. So I highly recommend you checking it out if you and your kids are Hot Wheels fans. Thanks and have a great day.